up, you guys? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Girl, got my oatmeal. I just have the oats, Quaker oats with strawberries and brown sugar. I also made me a coffee. You guys saw me make that coffee. My face feels so dry. I need to put some more moisturizer on my lip. Anyway. So you guys saw me make my coffee. Now I am working. And I just wanted to pop in and say, what's up? Happy Monday. Go after your goals this week. This week is actually Thanksgiving week. So I hope you are going to be able to be with some loved ones, friends, you know, and enjoy Thanksgiving. So this is the coffee. It's so good, y'all. It's so good. This is the Dunkin' French Vanilla Pod. And I was getting the Dunkin' from Dunkin' Donuts. I was going to get theirs and I'm like, let me see if I can make this at home. I'm always trying to make it at home. So it tastes exactly how theirs. But this one is the, what is it? Espresso. Like, it's more espresso in here. So hopefully it'll give me some energy because like I said, it is Monday and we all know how Mondays go. But definitely accomplish your goals this week. This morning's TED Talk is accomplish your goals. Don't overthink. Don't overstress. Do what you can. In order to get through things, you have to put one foot in front of the other. It is steps. It's a process. You got to crawl before you walk. But don't give up on what it is you're trying to do. Let me taste this oatmeal because it's been a while since I've had oatmeal and I'm trying to get back on my regimen, working out. It's been like 2 weeks since I've worked out last and I need to get back on it, as well as not just working out, but also eating healthy, eating cleaner, eating, you know, the right nutrients. Just brown sugar, a couple of strawberries, and a little bit of creamer. I'm drinking some water. I have a few meetings today, and then I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. But I just wanted to come on and say good morning. It is Monday. All right, y'all. So it is now 11:20, and I just went and cleaned a few of the dishes that I had this morning. But I realized I did not talk about my hair. I got some knotless, and I got this color 30, like going on the bottom. Y'all, they are so long. I'll stand up and show y'all a little bit later, but y'all, I put them up today, but they are so bomb. Like, they're so bomb. These are medium, and this lady, look at me messing my hair up. This lady did a awesome job with doing them super long. At first I was like, oh my gosh, they are so long. But I realized, like, don't complain about the length if they do it too long, because the way that some of these braiders be taxing the length for the price, I ain't gonna complain. But this color, so I initially had them straight and they were so long straight. So what I did was braided the ends and I just re-dipped it in hot water, and I haven't done the re-dipping yet or re-braided it, but I just did like a loose wave at the bottom, and it's super cute. So a little tip, if you get your hair done and like braids and the ends are straight, just go ahead and, you know, either wrap them in some perm rods or braid it down and re-dip it to get like a different look if you want to. But yeah, so that is that. They come past my butt, y'all. Past my butt. But they look so good. I haven't done anything to my edges. Just had these up like this, but they look so bomb. So yeah, I just wanted to check in. I realized I didn't even like talk about my braids. Thank you to everyone who said happy anniversary to myself and my husband. We had an awesome time at that restaurant. Make sure you check that reel out over on my Instagram. I'll have it either on the screen or in the description box below. But follow me over on Instagram. Trying to get used to doing like reels and stuff like that, because you got to move with the time, the shorts and videos and stuff like that. So yeah, I just wanted to check in. I'm still drinking this coffee. It's taking me a little bit longer because the taste of the coffee is actually in this pod. Let me show y'all what, matter of fact, let me show y'all what the, what pod I was talking about. So this is the pods I was talking about. The Dunkin' French vanilla. Oh, it's not the espresso. Because there was some other ones that was like espresso something. And there was like more espresso in there or something. I think I showed y'all in another vlog. I don't know. I showed y'all in another vlog. But I didn't even use this whole cup. My little Keurig can go up to max 12. I'm assuming that's 12 ounces. But I only did an 8 ounce. So it's a lot to me. But I still have these that I told y'all about. And yeah, I'm trying to like set up a little coffee station here and tea section. Let me show you guys what it is. So in this drawer is going to be, I'm going to get another type of organizer, but these are the coffees. Of course, they fell out. Or the pods, cinnamon dolce, and then these are the teas. Love, love, love this tea. And these right here, these Tazo ones are really, really good. I showed y'all this before, the Jennifer Mint and then Calm Chamomile, but these are some good teas that we love. And then I have this, and then the Keurig. I told y'all I had got this when Jade talked about it here on YouTube, Face Over Matter, and I think Target still has this as a deal, especially since this is Black Friday. I'm not sure, but anywho, and then I have this cup set here. I'm gonna do a different type of stand. I just took this out the box. And then I have this. I'm gonna redo this, but this is what it is before. So I'll have to show y'all what I plan on doing after. It took me a long time to find the Tarani French vanilla syrup regular, because all the ones I was finding were sugar-free, and that sugar-free aftertaste is ugh to me. So I have French vanilla and I have brown sugar cinnamon. But because I'm trying to do this like aesthetic-y type of vibe here, I do have caramel, but it's not by this brand. So the caramel one that I have is the Starbucks caramel, and it's a plastic bottle. So I'm like, that's messing up my look. So IKEA, and I purchased 2 soap dispensers because I'm gonna pour that in it just to make it look more aesthetic-y. But and right now I'm just, you know, answering emails and all that. It was a busy week trying to just get my life together, you know. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. My braids, I'm sitting here. This sun is amazing coming in, okay? It's cold outside. But I just wanted to share that. I'm still drinking this, and it's so good. It tastes just like Dunkin' Donuts. So I'm intrigued to see if the Starbucks is going to taste exactly like the Starbucks. I also recently got my nails done, but I took the acrylic off, and this is just dip powder to give my nails a break and just allow them to grow back a little bit stronger without that acrylic and all that. So this color is really, really cute. It's like a brown with like sparkles. You probably can't see the sparkles, but it's pretty. It's a sparkle, just something chill. But yeah, so yeah, I don't have nothing else to say, so I won't hold you guys. I'll see you guys later. Get into it. About to eat this peach cobbler. Question. So I'm about to eat some peach cobbler from Thanksgiving. It's been what? Today is Tuesday? Today is not Tuesday. Today's Monday. How long do you guys go with eating your leftover like desserts from Thanksgiving? Comment down below.
Until it goes bad.
But
There's no date.
I have some bread pudding and peach cobbler right here. Let me show you. And I think it still looks good.
The peach cobbler still looks good. We don't know
The
what
peach
this
cobbler is
is.
fire because my grandmother made this.
We don't know what that
That's
is.
bread pudding or bread. Yeah, bread pudding. About to eat this peach cobbler. Yo, my grandmother. Thanks to my granny. Peach cobbler. Ain't nothing like your grandmother's peach cobbler. Mmm.